Hey guys, now if this is your first ever time on this YouTube channel, or if you've been watching our videos for some time now, you are going to want to stick around for this one, because we are going to show you everything you should have done, the trades you should have put on to have turned $3,000 into over $38,000. And the best bit is, these strategies that we're sharing with you right here today are very simple for you to implement over the months and years to come. Plus, also, we're going to be sharing with you some of the new features that we bring into our website. So I and us here are developers. So we have a site called Mutru.ninja, and we're going to be creating some new features into that site so you can incorporate some of what we're going to be sharing with you right now live into that. It's going to be so awesome. Plus, also, we've got a giveaway as well. So we've been giving away 30 ZEMs for 30 days right through November. So we've got that giveaway coming up, plus another giveaway on Monday, which we'll tell you the details of that for. Don't miss out on that. Without any further ado, let's jump on in and check out these free strategies. Strategy number one is the Heikin Ashi strategy. We will be showing you this on the charts in just a moment, just like all three of these strategies. But for now, let's just get into the figures. So, with the Heikin Ashi strategy, you would have had to have put on 37 trades this year, which by my maths is just over 3 trades per month. So if you're a trader which is trying to be like a day trader and putting on like multiple trades every single day and wondering why you're losing money, well, maybe this is why, okay? So 37 trades all year, and you've turned $1,000 into $13,046 with this very, very super cool and easy strategy. So, strategy number 2 is the Renko strategy. This is a very sophisticated strategy which is super easy, and also turns $1,000 into over $11,000. That's almost $12,000. And that is just in 30 trades, so a little bit less work. And the final strategy here is going to be the RSI strategy. Now this one is a bit more technical, but only involves 6 trades all year. 6 trades would have turned $1,000 invested into over $13,000 right here today on the 30th of November. So even though this year we have seen Bitcoin go through the floor and it's been a massive bear market right the way around for cryptocurrencies, you could have turned 1,000 into 13,000 trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin, all you hear all over the news is how it's going down. You could have turned that money into 13 grand if you knew and used these strategies. So it's not just about knowing them, it is about actually doing it. So let's just share with you on the charts very briefly how this works. Right here we are looking at the Bitcoin chart. You will most likely notice the huge spike upwards that it took towards the end of last year, and the massive decline we have seen all year, and also the recent dump off just now. So the chart you're seeing is a Heikin Ashi chart. Hang on, let's just get rid of that. And all you need to do is go up here. This is the normal candlestick chart. And the thing you'll notice with this is that it's pretty much all over the place. It's red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. It's pretty chaotic. So if you change that, go up here. This, by the way, is tradingview.com. If you're not familiar with it, it's a very good and free website to use for chart trading. It's very, very good. Just choose Heikin Ashi. You'll also see Renko down here as well. But for this, we're going to just check out Heikin Ashi. You can see now long streams of red and long streams of green. Heikin Ashi uses averages rather than actual factual values. So it just takes the average and allows you to trade a very simple strategy, which is as it turns green, you would buy at this stage, and you would buy it all the way up. Just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it until you get that red candlestick. Once you get the red Heikin Ashi candlestick, you sell off your position and you go short, and you short the market all the way down until you get a green candlestick. and then you buy. It's as simple as that. And all you have to do is keep trading up and trading down, trade, all the way as the months go on. And every time the candlestick changes on the previous day's candlestick, you just change. Now it does get a bit messy when it's very, very flat, like it has been, but there you have it. I mean, you're still going to make 13,000 from 1,000. Messy as it is, and can be a bit time consuming. It would be great if you could automate this, but we'll go into that in just a moment. This is Heikin Ashi. The next one was Renko. Very similar pattern. All you need to do is sell the reds and buy the greens. Exactly the same as Heikin Ashi. In fact, we do a really good video on this. I should leave some links up here to the other videos that we've done on these strategies. If you go to the masters area on Muchu.ninja and go to the buy sell, I can't remember, but I'll show you in a moment where the video is. It's a great video on Renko and explains all about it. But again, it's a very similar strategy. You just sell off during the reds, and then as it turns green, you buy it. It is that simple. Anyway, let's move on pretty quickly, and we'll go back to the not hollow candles, back to Heikin Ashi. Here we go, and if I zoom out a bit, you can see these blue and red buy and sell signals. These are the RSI strategy markers. So this is, like I said, it's a bit more technical. I've done a whole video on this, which will be up in that link that I put there with all the other videos in, and it will share with you the complete guide for this and how to do it. But basically, every time you have a little marker to say to buy, this is where you would buy in and then sell it off, and buy in, sell it off, buy in, sell it off. And as you can see, hang on, let's get rid of that. If we sold off there, we'd have enjoyed that massive drop recently, which would have been very lucrative. Being honest for a moment, as simple as this strategy is, it's not that easy. It's a little bit like, you know, say if you want to get super ripped and muscular, it's a very simple strategy. Just go to the gym and work out for 2 to 3 hours a day. But it's not easy, right? It's a very simple strategy, but it's not easy in modern day life. You know, you're busy, you got work, you got kids, you got whatever, right? So it's exactly the same with this trading. These are very simple strategies that you could use. You've just got to check in each day or every few hours just to check the charts. But if you're trading a lot of different coins, if you've got maybe 6 or 8 different coins, it can be a lot of work. Okay, so if you're a full-time trader, it's fine. But if you actually have a proper job as well, then it gets a lot more complicated. Or if you don't have a job, but you're like me and you just like to just enjoy your life, then it's pretty difficult if you have to keep checking charts every 5 minutes. So if we could automate this for you, then that would be a winner, right? So over on our website, we have a portfolio manager, and this portfolio manager for crypto was inspired by this here that we wrote, the Kerberos Investment Fund. From earlier in the year, we had an American investor offer us $50,000 to invest on his behalf into crypto. And it was a big shock. You know, we'd never had that kind of money before to invest, so we had to sort of think about how we would invest in a professional portfolio, because we don't want to lose anybody's money, right? So this is what we came up with, was 5 different areas. We had the core crypto, the low market cap crypto, and the ICO early stage, plus also 2 which aren't shown on here just yet. But those other 2 are going to be the active trading, which is just what we've been sharing with you here, which is how to use these trading strategies to actively trade up. So Bitcoin here in the core crypto area, this isn't being actively traded. This core crypto area would be stuff which you've got stored away in a hardware wallet like a Trezor or a Nano Ledger S. And that's just stored away, ready to buy your mansion, to buy a Lamborghini, buy whatever you want. Okay, you've just stored that away. And in the active trading account, you know, as you turn that like 1,000 into 10,000 into 100,000, it's going to really upset the balance of your entire portfolio. You're going to have way too much in there. So what you need to do is draw some of that out and split it up amongst the rest of the portfolio, okay? And also below that, the active trading is great for growing capital. However, if you want to earn money every single month, like residual income, like you would get from property or other assets like dividends, then you're going to want masternodes and mining. So that's the section there. It's called Satoshi's Mines, and we're adding that into the masters area on this site, Mutru.ninja. So here we go. This is the masters area. This is where we'll be adding Satoshi's Mines over the next few weeks, and also the trading signals. Yep, that's it. Trading signals for those free strategies that you've just seen. And what we're going to be doing is even cooler than that. Oh, this, by the way, this is the master trading skills bit. This is where the video is for the Renko, plus also the RSI strategy, all the figures for all the top coins, they're in there as well. So make sure you check that out if you've got Master Ninja access. And this section here, the whale fuel, this is where you're going to get all of the coins that you're going to need to fill up the low market cap crypto zone. Okay, so if you're looking for low market cap cryptos, very undervalued cryptos, you want the most bang for your buck, that you can buy the cheapest and get the most potential gains out of, this is where you're going to find them. But first, what I was saying, in this area we've got Satoshi's Mines, which is going in there, and the signals, the coin signals. But what we're actually going to be doing is, first step, building the signals platform to let us know when to buy and sell, and then actually incorporating that into two different trading platforms, Binance and BitMEX, to allow you to actually create an automated bot that will do your trading for you. So once you're comfortable with the signals and you're happy that it would be making you very good money, then you'll be able to actually use the bot to trade on your behalf, so you can go off, enjoy your time in the sun, doing whatever it is that you enjoy doing, and just leave it trading for you. At the end of the day, this is just what the big banks are doing, right? Stock trading, they're doing away with people to actually manage the stocks, and it's all trading bots these days. This is just the way it's going, particularly with AI as well. In fact, that's also something that we've been looking at, is using the Watson AI module to enhance that somewhat as well. So hey, who knows what we're going to be doing with that, but that's what's happening, that's what's coming up over the next month or so in the masters area. This is what we're doing. And as I just said, I did want to share with you a little bit inside the whale fuel module. So you've obviously noticed I've had to hide out the token names here as well, so you can't actually see that because this is a paid section of the website, so I don't want to be giving away too much for free. But what I do want to share with you is just a little bit about these coins. Now obviously Bitcoin has just gone down, which has brought the entire market down, so a lot of these that were in the green, they're currently not. But just check out how much you can actually buy these for right now, bearing in mind that initially, say the first one up here, now if you haven't actually got this, you are a master and you can see what this is. This is in August, so every single week we run an algorithm which takes the thousands of coins on CoinMarketCap. It filters through each of them, finding the most undervalued coins, the ones that if that coin went to a $4 billion market cap, how many coins would you need to make $1 million? And how much are they actually worth today, so that we will know which ones are the cheapest. Do you get it? Okay, so this is the results from August, and as you can see, we're down quite a lot and quite a few. Some of them are still holding up, but obviously the whole market's just took a massive knock. This top one up here, which was in the green, is now down 50%. Can you believe it? Now, if you actually check out this project, this is a massively awesome project, definitely worth investing in. Some of these, like this one, it's down 92%. If they are, now a lot of these are early stage companies, and as we all know, let's be honest, not everything is going to be a winner, and early stage companies do fail within the first few years. So, you know, not all of these are actually going to succeed and go on and make money. So, we have more down here. We have this one, which is up 38%, and this is a really good coin as well. No doubt about that. And this one down here is up 82. I've been following this ever since it was ICO, and it's a fantastic project, and I missed out on buying it when it was actually down. I think it went down to about $68, $70. I really should have bought the coins then. It would have only needed 1,700 coins to have potentially have $1 million worth of coins in the future. And you know, if we go all the way down here, this one is only $10 to buy in. $10, and you'd need to buy 2,500. If that token went up, you know, $4 billion market cap, you've got $1 million worth of coins for $10, for $10. Can you believe it? So obviously, as I say, not all of those are going to be winners, but how much do they need to really win by? Maybe they don't go to $4 billion market cap, maybe only $1 billion, you know, maybe even only 10% of that. But would you be unhappy if you just made $100,000 from one of those coins? Yeah. So this is the idea. This is what we're looking at for the low market cap crypto, is the whale fuel module coins. That is where they should be going. Core crypto, that is what you've got in your Nano Ledger S or on your Trezor. That's just stored away for your mansion and your Lamborghini. ICOs are very high risk, very small amounts. Don't put too much in there. And the two below which are missing, the two which we're currently working on, is Satoshi's Mines. That's for your residual income, and also the active trading with the trading bot software and the signals. So this is what will be coming up in the next couple of months on Moochery.Ninja. If you don't already have Masters Access, then things just got a whole lot easier. All you need to do is come along to this page and hit the Upgrade Now button, and that will take you through to this page where there is now free options to upgrade. So in the past, we only ever had this lifetime membership option. It's currently £127. However, you can pay quarterly and just get 3 months membership and just pay every single 3 months. Now, it all works through PayPal, so there is no minimum term contract whatsoever. So if you really wanted to, you could just pay for 3 months and then just go onto your PayPal account, cancel the subscription, and you'll never ever be charged ever again. The exact same goes for monthly membership. If you just wanted digital access, just to get in, have a little nose around, you could just cancel your subscription at any time that suits you on PayPal, and you'll never get charged again. It all works through PayPal, so that's simple enough. And obviously with the lifetime membership, you don't just have to pay with PayPal, you can also pay with crypto as well. So you can pay with Zems, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So that's really good. Great option there. So what do you actually get? Now with the monthly membership, it is, as I say, just digital access. So we're not going to be shipping you any products. So all you get is you get the complete access to all the Ninja Master modules, plus the high-res download of the Bitcoin multiplier method, and the instant download of the Kerberos investment fund, plus discounts on the Ninja Store and the Satoshi's Mines module as well once it's released. In fact, this Satoshi's Mines module is so big, we've even bought satoshimines.com and going to create a whole website out of it as well. So that is going to be really cool. But for the quarterly membership, you get everything you would have got before, plus you are also going to get, you lucky people, this poster here. This is the periodic table of cryptocurrency. And on here you can see all of the top 118 coins as of the 1st of January 2018 this year. And if you just look up here, you can see Zem, when Zems were going for 95 cents. That's right, you can reminisce over all these old prices. Bitcoin was over 13,000, and XRP was $2.22. Okay, so these prices seem ridiculously expensive right now, or is it the prices are actually super cheap right now? So this poster is great. You'll be getting that. We'll ship that to you for free in the post with one of these. This is the Bitcoin multiplier method. Now, I wrote this while I was out in Australia and the Philippines last year, and in here you will see everything you need to know about how I turned $500 into over $11,000 in just a couple of months with crypto using a compounding strategy. So if you want to find out about that compounding strategy, just check out this Bitcoin multiplier method. It's available for download in the Masters area, and also a live physical copy just like this one if you're buying the quarterly or the lifetime membership. Anyway, let's move very quickly on. We don't want to go on too long over here. We've also got, if you are going for the lifetime membership, okay, obviously there's no ongoing quarterly payments. You just pay once. You never have to pay again for access ever again. And you can also pay with crypto. Plus, there's a limited time bonus. Okay, so you're going to get 400 Moolah tokens for free. This is about $100 worth of crypto we're giving you for free. And if you want to do the maths on that and take off the $100 worth of free crypto from the actual price, somewhere around the cost of just quarterly membership. So you work out what you want to do with that. For me, obviously, I would be buying the lifetime membership, but that's up to you. If you want to know what these Moolah tokens are all about, all you need to do is head on over to here. This is Mutru.club. So this is a ICO we were going to run at the beginning of the year, but as the prices started tanking, we didn't want to raise a bunch of investor money and then not have the cash we need to invest in staff and, you know, the project basically. So we just dropped it for a while, but we will be looking at reopening this year. So this is an ICO we're going to do. You can check out the white paper here. Now, as I said, this is a project we kind of put on hold for a while. So the white paper, the dates, etc., a little bit outdated. It's not wrong, that needs updating. But if you want to know what it's about, download the white paper. It's a very cool, funky white paper. It's not a boring one. It's a good read. Anyway, let's get on and give away some Zems, shall we? So today we're going to be giving away 30 Zems, and on Monday we're going to be giving away 3 lots of 30 Zems, because every single day through November we were giving away 30 Zems for the 30 days, because November was the anniversary month of the writing of the Bitcoin multiplier method. So we decided to give away 30 Zems for 30 days just to celebrate, you know, any reason to celebrate here. So the problem is during those 30 days, we actually missed out 3 live streams because we was a bit busy and we missed those out. So what we decided, on Monday, we're going to be giving away 3 lots of 30, plus also the usual 25 Zems that we give away every Monday on what we call Moolah Mondays. So there's 4 lots of Zems to be won. All you need to do to take part is just comment down below this video. Just leave a comment, ask any question you like, and do not forget to leave your Zem wallet address. So we had a few technical issues there with the camera. Basically today, well done to you, Aiden Hayes. You've won the Zems. I've just sent it out to you in the Zem wallet. Unfortunately, we did have a bit of an issue there with the camera not recording, so we missed out actually recording that live. But the winner today was Aiden Hayes. And if you want to do it on Monday with the chance to win 4 lots of Zems, just leave a comment below in the description. No, not in the description, just leave a comment below, and do not forget your Zem wallet address. And there you go, guys. So we've just shared with you everything that you need to know to turn $3,000 into $38,000 plus over the next few months, years, whatever it's going to take you. And also, if you have any questions about that whatsoever, please do not hesitate to just comment below, ask us any questions that you like. But do remember to add in your NEM wallet address for a chance to be in with winning these Zems on Monday's giveaway. So that's about it, and I shall see you on Monday for the giveaway in a few days. Okay, we'll see you then. See you on Monday.